Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY 101, how-to tutorials for beginners and beyond. Today, we are going to learn how to make delicious vegan cheese at home. Whether you are a vegan or just looking to try something new, this recipe is easy, quick, and tastes amazing. So, let's get started. Research and prep. Before we dive into making our vegan cheese, we need to research the types of cheese we can make and the ingredients required. There are several types of vegan cheese such as cashew cheese, almond cheese, tofu cheese, and more. For today's recipe, we are going to make almond cheese. Here are the ingredients we will need. Almond milk, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, garlic powder, salt, cornstarch, water. Making the vegan cheese. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's start making our vegan cheese. Step 1. Mix 1 cup of almond milk, a quarter cup of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/2 tsp of garlic powder and 1/2 tsp of salt in a blender. Step 2. Pour the mixture into a saucepan and heat it over medium heat. Step 3. In a separate bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water until it forms a paste. Step 4. Once the mixture in the saucepan starts to simmer, add the cornstarch paste and whisk it in. Step 5. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens to a cheese-like consistency. Step 6. Pour the mixture into a container and refrigerate it for a few hours until it sets. Serving and storing. Your vegan cheese is now ready to serve. You can use it as a dip or spread, or even on top of your favorite pasta dishes. To store it, keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. There you have it, a simple and delicious recipe for making vegan cheese at home. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy cooking!